How to close Bank of America account. Closing a Bank of America account typically involves a few steps. You can't close the account online. Go to the nearest Bank of America branch. Bringing identification and any account information will be helpful. Approach a bank representative and let them know that you want to close your account. They will guide you throughout the process. You may need to provide identification such as driving license or passport, as well as your account details. Withdraw any remaining funds from your account. Once all the necessary steps are completed, the bank representative will assist you in closing your account. Confirm closure. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.